Yeah, me too. What he said. Budgie here, reporting for duty. Nope, it's plenty of dead at the rescue center for the rest of the day. Oops, sorry Percy. Poor choice of words. Understood, Chief. Thanks, Butch. I'm going to need it. Oh boy, I wish I wasn't out here on my own, but I know Harold is needed to keep an eye on the ghost ship. Oh, I wish that ghost train would hurry and showed up. I want to get back to the rescue center as soon as... Showtime! Well, we're here. I'm sure hope this works. I think it's finally moved on. Now to help the others. Hopefully they having as much luck I just have. Hey guys, did the SS Sentinel finally move on? Well, it's disappeared in the Great Wolf Forest. I think it's finally moved on too.